Hi everyone, this is Jan. This is day 19, cruise day 14, and this is the end of our cruise. We're back in Port Canaveral, and those people who are leaving the ship are getting off. We get to either sleep in a little late or take more time eating our breakfast while the rest of the passengers leave the ship. And why aren't we leaving? Because this is a back-to-back cruise. And so we stay on board. This was a little bit different than what normally happens. Normally we stay on board, we stay in a group, but the group was quite large, so we didn't fit in the lobby of the ship. So we had to go to the restaurant, and they brought in the customs officer, and we gave him our customs forms, and he gave us our new sail and sign card for the next part of the cruise. And they call this a back-to-back because you're not getting off the ship. And once everybody's gone and they're finished with everything that they need to do with us, we're free to amuse ourselves until the new people come on board. We also received a souvenir picture of our cruise ports we were at. It's kind of a nice picture, you know, it's color and it's free and it's just a nice souvenir. So, see you all later on the next part of this really weird cruise.